Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will talk on how to use Telegram as cloud storage service. Friends, Telegram is a messaging app and you can use it as messenger and all your chats, images and documents are saved on cloud. So if you save a file or message in saved message in Telegram, that file is saved on cloud and there is no limit to use it. I just show you how to save file to save messages in Telegram. So in your Telegram app you need to press on the three lines. Here you need to press on saved messages. Now in saved messages you need to press on the attachment icon. Now in attachment icon press on file. Now to select a file you need to press on internal storage, or you can select files which you have used recently. For that you need to press on these three lines and here press on recent. Now here you will find all the recent files. So select a file. Now this file which we have shared in the saved messages is saved on cloud and will be available even if we lost our phone. So friends, by using Telegram Messenger you can save your important files on their cloud storage and your data will be safe. So friends, I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.